Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to buy SOL tokens on Binance Exchange. First you need to open Binance Exchange, then you will see an interface like this. First of all you have to click on trade here, then you have to click here again. Then you need to search for SOL here. After that you have to click here again on SOL USDT. Then you will see a page like this. First you will see what the current price is here. Then if you want to buy at that price you need to click here first. Then the market option needs to be selected. Then you need to enter the amount you want to buy here. I am putting in an example with $100 here. Then you need to click on buy. Then it will buy at the current market price, and if you don't want to buy at that price and want to buy at a lower price, then you need to click here and first select limit. After that you need to enter the price at which you want to buy here. 144, I want to buy at 140. For that I will put 140 here. Then I will click on buy, but it will not be an instant buy. When the market reaches 140 at that price, then the buy will happen. So this way you can buy. And if you want to buy instantly, then select market here. Then it will be an instant buy at the market price. In this way you can buy SOL tokens within the Binance Exchange. If you like the video, please like it. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.